In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to insert a table or a spreadsheet, whatever you call it, into Google Docs. So I recently had an assignment where I had to insert a spreadsheet on a Google Docs, and I could not do it. If you are having that exact same problem, this is the tutorial for you. So there's different ways you could do it. So let's say I want to insert a spreadsheet. So click Insert, go down to Table. You can go to Building Blocks, and there's a simple decision log, review tracker, content launch tracker, and there's many of these other ones. But if you just want a spreadsheet, it goes all the way up to 20 by 20. So you can click that, and now we have all of this right here. You can adjust the sizes of each of these. So if I do this, it makes this longer. If I do this, it makes this one longer. And then you can adjust of each single one of these. You can also have the spreadsheet go further out of the paper like so. And you can also adjust the middle ones as well. So you can make this bigger, this smaller, bigger, and all of these as well. If let's say you need to delete one, so let's say you created another one on the top and you don't want it. So you want to right click this, you want to click this, right click, then click delete row, and then it deletes the row. If you want to delete a column, which is the vertical part of it, you want to click delete column, and then you'll delete the column. You can also add rows. So let's say I need more than 20 by 20. So you'll just do this, insert column to the left, insert column to the left, insert column to the left, and you can keep on adding it practically indefinitely. So you actually do not need to like screenshot something and insert it. You can just create the table right here and keep on adding it. If let's say you have a table already in, let's say Google Spreadsheet, let me just go there real quickly. So let's say I'm in Google Spreadsheet and I want to put something in. Let's just do B, C, there you go. Add some numbers and letters and all this other stuff. There you go. You want to do, hold the top and copy as much as you want. So copy this, then click Command C for copy. Go back into Google Docs and click Command V. And then it will insert an entire table for you, which you can also adjust. Let's say I wanted that bigger. I just keep on extending that outwards and it goes all the way to Z. You can just copy, and then you'll have all of this with the corresponding letters or numbers in each column. So I hope this helped you. You can also change the color of these things right here. So you just go over it, click this, and then you can turn it black. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.